Hello and welcome to the Lower Mortgage Rates channel. Today we're going to talk about construction loans, what they are, how they work, their benefits, and the key things you should keep in mind before applying. What is a construction loan? Construction loan is a short-term loan usually for 12 to 18 months. It is mainly designed for building a new home or undertaking major renovations. Unlike a traditional mortgage where you get the full amount at once, here the funds are released in stages as the project progresses. How does it work? First, you apply with your construction plan, budget, and contractor details. Then the lender approves the loan. The money is disbursed in stages, called draws. For example, foundation, roofing, finishing, and so on. Each stage may be inspected before the next draw is released. Once the construction is complete, the loan usually converts into a long-term mortgage, known as a construction to permanent loan. Benefits of a construction loan, specifically designed for new builds or major renovations. Funds are released gradually, reducing the chance of misuse. Can be converted into a standard mortgage once construction is complete. Things to consider before taking a construction loan. You'll need a good credit score. Choose a reliable and experienced contractor. Have a clear plan and budget prepared in advance. We hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to see more videos about construction loans or mortgage options, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. For more detailed information, visit our website, +1 804 212 8663.